Alright, my YouTube modelers, coming at you today with a quick stash ad. My finger is pointing at that stash ad. So I was over at my parents' house the other day. I was doing some work from around my parents' place there. And my dad pays me with an old model kit that he had sitting in the basement. Said he wasn't going to build it, so he said he was going to give it to me. So here's the 2000 edition of the AMT Ertl. Is it Ertl or Ertl? Monkee Mobile. The Barris Custom 66 GTO. This is really cool. So, one of the things that caught my attention about this kit was the price tag. $9.99 at Hobby Lobby. That's before a 40% off sale. So how cool is that? How long has you had this sitting around? Well, at least it's 2000. So I know there was two of these cars made for the TV show. Uh, both currently owned by private collectors. I know one was in... didn't leave them from the tour in Australia. One of their final tours didn't leave it, and then it was found in Puerto Rico as a hotel a courtesy car. I mean, how cool would that be being picked up? You know, nice tropical island resort and a car that looks like that. That's pretty cool. So as far as I know, it's owned by a private collector again, and back in the original Monkee scheme. So this is cool. So far it looks like everything is in here. I'm rambling here. Looks like everything is in here. The only thing that's missing that I could tell is the decals that say the Monkees on the side. So I noticed that there's a lot of cleanup that needs to be done on the car. I love Pontiacs. I love the GTOs, 6667 GTOs, my personal favorite. Yeah, so this is kind of cool. It's kind of got that MPC stock bottom on it there. But hey, you know what? This is going to be cool. It's going to be alright. Some stuff fell off there. I don't know if it's maybe something glued together. The part of the top there. So yeah, this is just perusing it. It looks like everything is here. So what I like here, oh, see the engine's kind of half built here. So I'll play with that. The thing I find kind of cool here is like this little Monkees key ring here. Paint that up. Use it as a little base for the car or something here. So a couple of little miscellaneous parts in here. But like I said, everything looks to be here. Cool Goodyear tires. I might put some red lines on it because the Pontiacs back in the day had the red lines. So I'll see if I got some red lines sitting in my stash. But yeah, after the I didn't want to fall here. After I finish the motorcycle, which kind of got knocked over a little bit right there, taking all the stuff out, I'm gonna do a Barris Custom. There we go. Put all the stuff back in the box. So I don't want to lose nothing. Do the Monkees GTO Monkee Mobile after the motorcycle. I'll get another update on the motorcycle in a couple days. I'll let you know what's going on there. But yeah, so it's quick stash in. Everybody, whatever you're doing, wherever you're at, rock and roll.